Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to easily interchange or change straps for your Casioak. This is going to be the GM-2100, so the metal case and the resin strap. For today's video I'm going to use the spring bar removal tool that you can find inside the basic watchmaker toolkit. I definitely recommend you go and grab the entire toolkit because you are going to have everything that you need to use in order to replace batteries and to adjust the bracelets on your watches. So I'm going to use this especially for putting it back together because I am pretty sure that a lot of you aren't able to put back the strap after replacing or removing it. So I'm going to use the quick release system just like this, remove the strap just like this, and now in order to put it back in, this is where this tool is going to come in very handy. I'm going to push it down just like this in order to make sure that I can get inside the hole. As you can see right now, the spring bar is inside the first hole, and now I'm going to push it down, and now I'm going to make sure that the resin strap is underneath, so in between the lugs, and now I'm going to use the tool once again in order to pull it down. And then guys, this is how you change the strap on your Casioak. A very quick tutorial, easy to do, and I definitely recommend to go and grab one of these. This is going to be a game changer, especially for doing this on your Casioak, because it is almost impossible to grab it with your fingernail or with, let's say, other tools, especially when you want to put it back in, and that is where this end right here is going to come in very handy. In case you want to watch the full guide with how to replace the watch battery from start to finish, also how to use all the functions and features, I have a full guide in the description box below for your Casioak, so make sure to check it out. And in case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next on this YouTube channel. And in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.